Hello everyone. Today I wanted to share a small but powerful story. Once there was a young boy who wanted to lift a huge stone. Every day he tried, but the stone did not move. He felt sad and said, I am too weak. I can never do this. An old man was watching him. He came near and asked, did you really try your best? The boy replied, yes, I pushed it with all my strength. The old man was smiled and said, no, you didn't. You forgot one important thing. The boy was confused. What did I forget? The old man gently said, you didn't ask for help. The boy then called his friends together. They pushed the stone, and this time it moved. In the story, the moral is you don't have to do everything alone. Sometimes ask for help is the smartest step to success. If you like this story, follow me for more spoken English practice. Thank you.